Welcome to ISOPARA. Today we are going to see why to learn mechanical design. That is, the transformation power of learning mechanical design. In a world perpetually on the cusp of technological advancements, the journey of innovation is steered by the minds and hands of mechanical designers. The realm of mechanical design, often veiled in the intricacies of gears and levers, is a boundless universe where creativity converges with precision. Why should one embark on the enlightening path of learning mechanical design? Here, we delve into the profound reasons that render this discipline not just a skill, but a key to unlocking a world of possibilities. First is the blueprints of innovation. At the core of every groundbreaking invention lies a meticulously crafted mechanical design. Whether it be the sleek lines of an electric car or the efficiency of a space rover, mechanical design acts as the architect, shaping the future of technology. Learning this art allows individuals to be the visionaries who translate concepts into tangible, functional marvels. Second is problem solvers extraordinaire. Mechanical design is inherently a problem-solving discipline. Engineers in this field grapple with challenges like optimizing energy efficiency, reducing material wastage, and enhancing overall performance. By delving into mechanical design, one cultivates a mindset that not only identifies problems but innovates solutions with precision. Third is gateway to diverse industries. The versatility of mechanical design is astonishing. From automotive engineering to aerospace, from robotics to consumer electronics, mechanical designers find themselves at home in virtually every industry. This adaptability not only ensures a broad spectrum of career opportunities but also offers the chance to contribute to the evolution of multiple sectors. Next is in the hands of creators. Mechanical design places the power of creation in the hands of individuals. The journey from a concept on paper to a tangible prototype is an exhilarating one. Through learning the principles of mechanical design, one becomes a creator, giving life to ideas that could reshape industries and change lives. Next is precision in every detail. Mechanical designers are masters of precision. The ability to create designs with exacting detail is not just a skill, it is an art form. The discipline demands a keen eye for perfection, cultivating a mindset that values accuracy, efficiency, and reliability in every project undertaken. Next is industry-ready skill set. Learning mechanical design is not just about acquiring theoretical knowledge. It is about developing a skill set that is directly applicable to real-world scenarios. Most mechanical design courses integrate hands-on experiences and project work, ensuring that learners graduate with a portfolio of practical skills ready for industry demands. Last is global impact. Mechanical design transcends borders. As technology becomes increasingly interconnected on a global scale, the impact of mechanical design resonates far and wide. Contributing to solutions that address global challenges, from sustainable energy to efficient transportation, provides a sense of purpose and global citizenship. Hence, the decision to learn mechanical design is not merely a vocational choice, it is an invitation to be a part of a transformative journey. It is about understanding that every machine, every innovation, and every technological marvel begins with a design on paper. By learning mechanical design, one isn't just acquiring a skill, they are stepping into the shoes of the architects of the future, poised to shape the world with innovation and precision. Hence, this is why to learn mechanical design. Thank you.